Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Another Reddit question. How energy efficient are new windows really? All right, let's talk. I'm in the window business and it is my job to sell windows, but I also love what I do because I'm so passionate about the windows and how they can actually benefit you as a homeowner. The windows that you have, if you have a house that's built in the 70s and you have the original slinky little aluminum windows with a single piece of glass, your windows are terrible. And I mean that in the kindest possible way. They are not safe. They are not energy efficient whatsoever. Heard me say it before and I'll say it again. Windows are the weakest link to your house. Roofs can put up with a lot of abuse for the sun. Stucco, siding, all of that. They all have insulation in the walls, right? I mean, barring them if it was built in the 20s and 30s, maybe not. And you go into the new windows, low-E coatings, argon flooded, and vinyl. Still the weakest link of your house. But it is going to put up with so much more. 99% block of UV rays. On this one here's 98. It's gonna block that much UV, but it's also gonna block a lot of that thermal transmission. It's blazing hot outside. You add G340, you add some SunShield Max to the windows on the south, you can stand in front of that window and the sun can be beaming on it. And the first thing they say as soon as the new windows goes in is, wow. I mean, it really does change the game for you. Even in my house, I have a huge south-facing wall and I have all my windows done Sun Matrix, 4 layers of low-E. I can stand in front of those windows and doors and it does nothing to me. They are well worth the dollars and cents that you're going to invest to getting them. Making sure you get them done, installed properly, barring any of that. They are fantastic. Hopefully that answers your question. If there's anything else, I'm sure there's a lot of other videos that we have that'll answer that question in other details, but for now, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.